Welcome back to the channel, fellow enthusiasts. Today we've got something really exciting in store. After years of anticipation, Honda is bringing back a legend. Yes, you guessed it, the Honda S2000 is back. And it's better than ever in 2026. Let's dive into what makes this next-gen Roadster a true game changer. Hey everyone, I'm Naim, and today we're getting up close and personal with the all-new 2026 Honda S2000. It's been over a decade since the last S2000 rolled off the production line, and the excitement for its return is palpable. But the question is, how does the 2026 model live up to its legendary predecessor? First up, let's talk design. The 2026 S2000 retains its iconic Roadster silhouette, but with a more aggressive, modern twist. The front end now features a sleek, wide grille and sharp, angular headlights. The body lines are cleaner with a more muscular stance, giving the car a look that's ready for the track, but refined enough for the streets. The rear end is just as stunning. The new LED taillights wrap around the rear fenders, and the quad exhaust setup is just begging for attention. There's no mistaking it, this car has presence. All right, let's hop inside. The interior of the 2026 S2000 is a perfect mix of retro vibes and futuristic tech. Honda's kept things driver-focused with a simple, clean dashboard layout. The high-quality materials, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and brushed aluminum accents give the cabin a premium feel. Now, in terms of tech, Honda has made some big updates. The new S2000 features a fully digital display with a customizable tachometer, an advanced infotainment system, and even Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. But don't worry, Honda hasn't gone overboard with the tech, keeping it all focused on the driving experience. Under the hood, the 2026 S2000 doesn't disappoint. Powering the new model is a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, pushing around 320 horsepower, while it's a departure from the naturally aspirated engine of the previous generation. This turbo setup is more than capable of delivering thrills. With a 6-speed manual transmission, the driving experience remains pure, offering precision and responsiveness in every shift. And let's talk handling. The S2000 has always been known for its incredible cornering ability, and the 2026 version is no exception. With an upgraded suspension system and lighter chassis, this car feels nimble, planted, and ready to take on any twisty road you throw at it. So does the 2026 Honda S2000 live up to the legacy of its predecessors? Absolutely. With a perfect balance of performance, design, and technology. It's clear that Honda has stayed true to what made the S2000 a legend in the first place. And the best part, the price point is expected to remain relatively affordable for what you're getting, which means the 2026 S2000 is still a car that delivers big thrills without breaking the bank. Whether you're a long-time fan of the S2000 or just discovering it for the first time, the 2026 model proves that this Roadster is still a force to be reckoned with. It's a perfect blend of old-school thrills and modern engineering. That's it for today's review. What do you think about the new S2000? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a ride. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Channel Naim.